Okay, so in this video, I wanted to talk about actually picking your niche. Now, really, in my scenario, I decided to come up with an idea that was something where I knew people could either make money from it or it was something that was going to just generally help other people out. Now, you're going to obviously get a copy of my book. I did decide to include that in this course, so you'll get an idea of what I did. And for my niche, I actually decided to pick a topic on really selling an idea over on a website called Fiverr where you can sell services for just $5. So I took kind of a clever name. I decided to come up with Fiverr Untapped. And essentially, I explained to people how they can go out there and build a website where you could interview other people. Doesn't really matter what niche. And then I explained to them exactly how they can go out there and use this gig to make some money through Fiverr. And for me, it's worked wonderfully because I had a marketing blog. So I was able to create this gig and start getting lots of orders for people that wanted to be interviewed and building lots of relationships. So it was like I was helping other people, by selling this gig, and then I turned around and made that into a product and talked to people about that. Now, if you're listening to this course, obviously you don't have to do something in the make money online niche. It could be anything. Let's just say you knew how to help people, cook a specialty dish. You can make a whole ebook that covers that topic. Maybe you're into fitness. You could make an ebook talking about fitness, and it really doesn't have to be like something super off the chart, amazing. A lot of times you'll find that people are buying books all the time or just buying information in general, even when it's out there for free. I've seen a lot of people will just combine resources into one nice simple ebook. Now, obviously, I'm not telling you to go out there and start, taking other people's content, but just come up with something and put a spin on it. If you have skills that you believe you can teach other people, then that's what you want to do with this book. And obviously, the idea with it is that you want to really help people accomplish something that they're going to be able to do with this book. Maybe an end goal of being able to learn a new skill, being able to make some money, anything that's really going to help them learn a new skill or trait, something along those lines. So that's really just what you want to think about. Another really good idea to kind of go off of this, and I'm going to talk a little bit about it in the course, is you could actually use forums as a means to market. So if you find yourself on any niche forums, those will be a really great place to actually go out there and potentially get some ideas, see what people are talking about, what they're looking for help on. Just really look for generally what people are interested in, what they're trying to get help with. I guarantee you there's something in the back of your mind that you could help somebody else with. And that's what I want you to create the ebook with. So if you have any questions, I'd be happy to try to help you out with niche ideas, but there's really just thousands of things that you could come up with. It really all depends on if it's something you think you could write up that's going to be valuable and you could really help people with it.